Hi guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about beauty and grooming hacks every girl should be knowing. Now, I have wanted to film this video since quite a lot of time because I felt like ever since I filmed my skincare tips that every girl should be knowing, skincare hacks, I wanted to do this primarily because I felt like I did touch upon a lot of points in that video, but this video is more specifically for people who are getting into makeup or the whole beauty zone or are getting into self-grooming. So if you're somebody who is starting to get into that whole aspect or starting to dive into it, this video is for you. Keep on watching. I'll also be giving one person a shout out. Since I can't pin a lot of comments, whoever commented something nice that I feel deserves a shout out, I will give it right here. A lot of people don't comment. I still love you whether you comment or not, but for those who do comment, you can get a shout out either in the beginning of the video or in the middle of the video or at the end. It could be anywhere, so keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, the first beauty and grooming hack that I learned ever in my life was to use a comb to brush my eyebrows. That was the time I was not allowed to get threading done because my mom thought I had really sensitive skin. I think I was in 6th, 7th grade and I had really bushy eyebrows. And I know a lot of people don't get their eyebrows threaded because of the same reason. So the first and the easiest thing you can do is to use a spoolie to brush your eyebrows. Throughout the day, there's so much that you're doing that your eyebrows obviously move a little bit, right? And you don't want the hair to just kind of be out of place. You want it to look groomed and perfect always. So what you can do is just use a comb. If you don't have a spoolie is usually that brush at the end of an eyebrow pencil. But if you don't have a spoolie, just use any hair comb, the fine hair combs that you get, and just brush it out like that and give it its natural curved shape. So this is something that's really easy. I did this all the time. You also get eyebrow brushes separately. So if you don't want an eyebrow pencil, you just want to buy a brush, you can also buy a brush. Something that I've been doing personally as well ever since the lockdown started. I don't want to head out to the parlor. Parlors are anyway shut. So I've been using a brow gel, and then on top of that, you can use a spoolie and just brush it up. This is the easiest way to give your eyebrows some shape and to make them look polished as well. When you're out of the shower, that's when your nails are the most delicate. Your nails are going to be very soft during that time. So if you want to give them a good trim, this is the right time to do that as well, because you won't have to struggle a lot. Sometimes when you're cutting your nails, you really have to press the nail cutter hard to get the nail out, right? The part of the nail that you want out. So you won't have to do that if you do it right when you're out of the shower, because that's when your nails are going to be really nice, really soft, and you can cut them very easily. You can even shape them very easily. Anything you want to do with your nails, the ideal time to do it is just when you're out of the shower. The third grooming hack, and something that I see not a lot of people are doing, is to exfoliate your lips using a toothbrush. Now, I have really fine lips and really thin, very delicate lips. So I really want to exfoliate my lips just because they make my lips look a little more plump. Now, I was never the person to buy very expensive lip scrubs or, all those ads that you keep seeing. I was never the one to invest in very high-end lip scrubs and this and that. And I'm honestly the sort of person who will just try to find an easier or traditional way of doing it. So for me, scrubbing my lips with a toothbrush has worked wonders. It helps you exfoliate and get rid of all the dead skin cells that are on your lips. What it also does is it gives your lips a very nice plump and a very nice pout. So it's honestly very full after that. So just pick any day of the week. For me, it's usually a Sunday or a Saturday, but just pick any day whenever you feel that you can do a full routine and fit this into your me time as well. You just want to take a brush dipped in warm water and just kind of exfoliate. It's as simple as that, and I'm telling you, works like magic. The next beauty and grooming hack is to use Uptan to remove dryness and tan. Now, I get a lot of questions from people asking, how do you remove tan? Uptan is the only solution. I'm telling you, it's the best and the most effective solution. Now, Uptan is the oldest and it's the most pure form of cosmetic that was ever there. It's known for its cleansing and skin restoring properties, and it's made out of natural, very simple ingredients but very powerful ingredients that clean your skin and leave it rejuvenated as well. Now, I've been using the Uptan face wash and the Uptan body pack from Wow Skin Science. The entire Uptan range is made out of natural ingredients and it's based on traditional Uptan recipes. Let's talk about the ingredients. Chickpea flour is rich in zinc. It helps remove dead skin layer and fine hair from the body. Almond powder is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals to protect skin against damage and premature aging, and it also prevents fine lines and patchy skin. Turmeric and saffron help to remove tan, even out the complexion, and calm irritated skin. These products are manufactured in India. They're pure, they're safe, they're dermatologically tested, and they're suitable for all skin types. The products are without any harsh chemicals. They're also free of parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, and silicones. You can scan the QR code on the side of the package to determine the authenticity of the product and also get points for every scan to redeem on your next purchase. These products are available on bueaty on Amazon, Flipkart and on Nykaa, and you can use the code mentioned right on the screen to get yourself a lovely discount as well on bueaty. You can also use the BuyWow app. It's very easy to use and they also have a lot of app specific offers as well. I have kept the link down in the description box along with the product link, so make sure you check that out as well. The next beauty hack that I want everybody to know, and I'm telling you this because I literally consider you my sisters. I do this and I cannot tell you how important this is. Please exfoliate your body at least once a week. Regular exfoliation can help prevent clogged pores resulting in fewer breakouts. And if you do this for a longer time, it will also increase collagen, and collagen is responsible for the healthy glow, the elasticity in your skin. And if you're somebody who has strawberry legs, believe me, exfoliation is your best friend. I can't emphasize on this enough. I do this so often because I have strawberry legs. Now I have tried chemical exfoliants in the past, but I've just come back to physical exfoliants, and chances are you already used such physical exfoliants in the past. So it could be something as simple as a loofah, cleansing scrubs, body brushes. They're all very common methods. So see if you have something like that already. The best part about this is you can also make DIY scrubs and you can do this at home. So for different things you have different scrubs. So if you research a little more, if you watch some DIY videos, you'll be able to ace this. But believe me, you start seeing instant results and then you get addicted to this. But then again, not more than once or twice a week. If you want a detailed video on exfoliation and how I do it, I would love to make a video for you, so let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time for today's shout out. Swati Singh on my last video commented, "With all that's going on, I understand you might be really filled with guilt about making content and all, but trust me, we need this. This lightens up our day, this makes us smile, this brings positivity. Thank you so much for this." I'm glad that, if I can help anybody smile through the content that I'm posting. I know there's so much going on in the world, and sometimes I don't want to sit and film in front of the camera because of all that's surrounding us and because of all that we keep hearing in the news that we're consuming. But if in any way watching these videos makes you smile, helps you get inspired, they would mean the world to me. It would absolutely mean the entire world to me. So thank you so much, Swati. Please keep supporting and please keep spreading love. I love you. The next beauty and grooming hack that has saved me from so many breakouts is to keep makeup remover next to your bed. Why does this work? Well, because now you have zero excuses to not take your makeup off before you go to sleep. The thing is, sleeping with your makeup on causes infections, causes bacteria, causes breakouts. So it's as simple as that. Just keep a makeup remover bottle next to you. If you don't want to do that, keep some makeup removing wipes either in your bag or on your bedside table. So on nights when you're exhausted and you don't want to put in the effort of removing your makeup, you will be so thankful that you have that bottle or you have some makeup removing wipes next to you on your bedside table. What you can also do is put these makeup removing wipes in your bag, so whenever you're on the go, if you're having anywhere very tiring day and ghar jaake you'll be very tired, just take a wipe and just wipe off your makeup in the car or wherever, however you're traveling. And I'm telling you, this is again a very, very big life hack. It saved me so many times, but try to reserve this only for emergencies. As much as you can, go and actually remove your makeup and double cleanse your face as much as possible whenever you apply makeup. But if you're very, very tired, then well, this is something that should be helping you out. The next hack, and something that I used to do a lot in school, and I cannot tell you, sometimes I used to go overboard with this, but don't do that because you might end up having a headache. But then again, this is just a hack. On days that you don't feel like washing your hair a lot, or if your hair is very greasy, if you worked out and now you have to go somewhere, baby powder is going to be your solution. Now suppose you have a very important meeting tomorrow and you know for sure you're not going to get up early to wash your hair. The night before, apply baby powder to your roots just before you go to bed. The powder will soak up the oil which makes your hair look greasy in the first place. Now a lot of us have black hair, right? We're born with black hair or dark colored hair, like brownish, blackish hair. So you might wonder that baby powder to dikhega. In that case, if you sprinkle it on your roots the night before, the white residue will have time to fade away and it will still soak up the oil and will not make your hair look greasy. Oops. Okay, my next hack is related to this. If you have a lot of flyaways, the best way to set that is by using a mascara wand and a setting spray. Now if you don't have a setting spray, you can also use water. I feel that does wonders too. Spray a clean mascara wand with hairspray and use it to set the flyaways. The trick here is to use the right tool to do it. When you're setting the flyaways, you want to make sure that each strand sits perfectly. It's not flying, right? So you need precision for that. And you can use something like a rat tail comb, you can use a mascara wand, you can use a toothbrush. All these things are very precise size. If you don't have a setting spray, or if you don't want to use a setting spray, you can also spray a little bit of water on your hairline and then use a mascara or a comb to brush through, and that will again set your flyaways in place, and you will not have unruly, just windy hair everywhere. You will have nice, clean and groomed hair. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and took some tips away. If you did like it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below, letting me know what other videos you want to watch, letting me know how you like this video. Do remember, in my next video I will be giving a shout out as well, so whoever's comment is the best, I'm going to be giving a shout out in my next video. If you're new over here, I would absolutely love for you to subscribe to the channel. We keep doing a lot of these fashion, beauty, lifestyle related videos. I would absolutely love for you to join the family. One last thing before I leave, I do go live on Instagram very often. My profile is right here on the screen, and I would absolutely love if you joined our family there as well. I do post a lot of OOTDs, a lot of outfit inspiration, and I would love for you to be a part of that family. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to see you guys next time. Till then, bye-bye.